try not to cuss.
Well, even if you do.
Is this the car you normally autocross?
Yes.
Okay.
It's been probably a year since I drove it, but yeah, this is the car, though I'm not as familiar with it as I probably used to be.
Well, the way I look at it, the car is just the appliance to give you the education.
Right.
You could come in a Yugo, you can come with a Z06. It really doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You roll out so your nose kind of intersects that line. That's good. And whenever you're ready, you're good to go.
Okay.
Up about where you left off. You were 33s before. Your best one. Okay, we'll count the 3/10 as the fat button, the passenger seat. That'll slowed you down a little bit. Pull up behind the Mitsubishi there and talk a little bit about some stuff we can make better.
Okay.
All right. Coming off the line, you're coming up to the circle. You're going to accelerate hard. When your nose intersects the circle, you should be done with your braking.
Okay.
So if you're saying, I got to be done by where that guy's saying, then that's where you want to be done with your braking. When you come around the circle, it should be a steady state, speed-wise, as well as steering. Okay? We learned probably in 7th grade geometry that the shortest distance around is the quickest. Stick to that.
Right.
If you egg shape it, come back, you lose time going, you lose time coming. So the tightest you can keep it, usually in most cars, is just off idle. You're just giving it just a tick of gas, and that'll get you around. Then you're looking out here for the slalom. As soon as you can see it, see the slalom, you can start squeezing on the throttle. Get to the slalom. Best way to do the slalom, or what seems to work the best, is try and be early. Don't ignore the first cone and beeline right for the second one. Try and start your slalom back here and kind of arc it in so your back tire goes right by. If I can use your gear shift, if this is your pylon, you'd like your back tire to be right there. And you'll hear guys talking about getting to the back side of the cone.
Right.
That's what they're trying to do. They're trying to get their back tire right on that corner of that cone. And so your slalom exercise as you go through, if you're just lazy about it and you just go around, your trajectory is like that. Whereas if you're early, your trajectory is going to be just the same, but you're going to be able to get to the throttle earlier. You're going to put a little money in the bank back here by good car placement, and up here you're going to be able to get to the throttle earlier and create the space. If you're under control, you don't care if you're late at the last two if you can getting on the throttle. So give it up here, good balance there, and power up. Okay?
Gotcha.
Let's go around and see how it works.
Okay.
Pull right in behind the S2.
Nice thing to be able to do when the weather warms up.
What, put the top down?
Yeah.
I actually think convertibles are better in this type of weather than they are in the south. Because in the south you never have top-down weather except in the spring and fall.
It's always way too hot.
Yeah. Yeah, you want the air conditioning. Whenever you're ready, you go ahead.
All right.
It'll be out of the way by the time you get there. Okay, your braking done. Steady, 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 nice and tight. Be patient. Look for that slalom cone. Drive up. Behind it. There you go. Behind it. Coast it a little on me. That's it. Roll around. Find the start button. Tell you what I've observed from the passenger seat.
All right.
Looked like there was a lot of what I'd call indecision.
Okay.
In that it looked like you weren't sure if you could when you could be going fast.
Right.
And so we had a little bit of, we had some coasting involved.
Yes. Now I have heard that piece of guidance before.
Okay. Think about it, as you're in the car, you always want to be doing something. I'm either on the gas or I'm on the brake, but I'm never not doing something.
32.
Right.
It may not be full throttle, it may not be full brake, but I'm
32,
transitioning from one to the other, but I'm always doing something.
Mm-hmm.
In the slalom, it kind of felt like you were almost not even on the gas, like you're just kind of coasting through there.
Right.
Let's switch sides, and
Okay.
then we'll talk about the sweeper to the Chicago box.